Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we have another special product from Mercylion.com. This time the guys sent me a traffic camera, an integrated traffic camera for Audi Q5. So if you own this car or any other Audi model or even other model from other automakers and you want an integrated dashcam, well, you can find it on Mercylion.com. And if you are going to order this device, in the box you will get an instructions manual, a micro SD card, 64 gigs of storage, and this nicely wrapped pack, which contains the camera that looks like this. It's very small and nice. Wow, I really like how everything looks, how compact it is. But that's because this particular model has a simple design. So in the other box we have two different cables, one for connecting the camera all the way to the OBD port. This way the camera will function during the night because it will get constant power and it will act as a parking monitor. Very nice. Of course you can use the simple cable, the simple bypass cable. This one, which we are going to use, will take the power from the existing ports from the car's area, from the rear view mirror, and this way we won't have any cables visible. So that's it with the unboxing. Now let's go and install the camera on this area right here and then show you how the app works, how the camera films and other stuff like that. In order to do so, we have a pry removal tool in the package, and I'll just try and see how I should get the camera off. Yeah, so it's that simple. We have to take this down. The sensor will remain in the same position, and we have to connect to this small area right here. And I want to see where can I get the power from. Yeah, I think this should come off too. Yeah, this also, because we need to get access to all the cables. Yeah, over here. Yeah, just like that. It's a bit tricky. Nevertheless, it has to be done. The simplest way you can unplug the Audi Q5 little plug over here is by checking out this one that should come into place. This way you will know if the small bump right here that is preventing the plug to get out is up or down. In our case, you should know that it's down. Okay. Now we just have to connect this cable over here and this cable on the camera. Yeah, the camera has started, so this is good news. I just want to insert the micro SD card, and now the most important and complicated stuff: what to do with all these cables, because these cables are a bit long. Okay, so it seems that the installation is complete. Yeah, everything is into place, and we can proceed with the app. Let's see. Yeah, this is how everything looks like. So we have the Mercylion.com app. We just have to connect to the Wi-Fi of the camera and it should appear over here. So I believe we have to, yeah, we have this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, we are connected, and voila, enter DVR, and this is how the image looks like. Mercylion 4K, the date, the time. These are the DVR recordings. Loop recording set up to 3 minutes. You can set it up to 5 or 1. Let's set it up to 1. Video WDR, EV. We can record audio or not. watermarking for the time or not, luminaire frequency, volume, video resolution. Yeah, we can add a volume to the camera, movie time-lapse, parking time-lapse, Wi-Fi name. We can switch the Wi-Fi, we can replace the Wi-Fi password, of course, format the SD card, do a factory reset, and the firmware version also can be updated from the app. Here we have the DVR files. Of course, we can also add a back camera if we like. There are no pictures. We have a button over here and we can take a quick picture. Let's see. Right now it should let me take a quick picture. We can use the full screen. We can even take a picture from the phone. Yeah, each picture will have the timestamp. And right now I'm going to take the car for a ride and show you guys some footages. There are two ways to save the videos. First, using the Mercylion.com app. It will usually take around 2 to 3 minutes to save a video from the microSD card to the app, and then you can save it onto your phone. The second way is by using the microSD card to USB port adapter. You have one in the package, and it's more useful if you want to save a bunch of the whole list of videos from the microSD card and want to do it in the fastest way possible. So this is the Mercylion G36 OEM dashcam for Audi Q5. Simple installation, plug and play, 4K video, very clear and crisp video quality, easy installation and worldwide shipping. So head over to Mercylion.com or use the link in the video description if you want to buy it. And if you have other questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section.